That is really creditable. Now I would like to invite the lady of the evening, Dr. Sunita Dubey, once again up on the stage. Dr. Sunita Dubey, can we have you up? And can we have a huge round of applause from all of you once again? Thank you.
एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग मैं नर्वस भी हूँ बहुत. आई एम रियली थिंकिंग व्हाट टू से. इतने सारे मेरे टीचर्स बैठे हैं, माई पेरेंट्स आर सिटिंग, सो मेनी माई फ्रेंड्स, रिलेटिव. आई वुड लाइक टू से समथिंग बिफोर स्टार्टिंग माई स्पीच एज यू से. मेरी कोशिश को सराहो, मेरे हमराह चलो, मैंने एक दिया जलाई है हवाओं के खिलाफ. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you. I'm honored to be standing before a distinguished honor guest audience today. Medscape India welcomes all our awardees and guests from other state of Mumbai. Your presence on this occasion is extremely commendable as your contribution to improve the health sector in India has been par excellence. We all are here to celebrate and honor this excellence. Healthcare, not only in the medical fraternity, but also bringing together, honoring various other individual and organization industries contributing in the upliftment of the health sector in India. I'm really very grateful to all of you making Medscape India a reality. It could not have done without you. Medscape India is a realization of a dream, a clarion call for socio-medical change. As a part of Medscape India Charter, we are pushing for a better socio-legal norm for the doctors and patients alike. It is time for a change, and we have to make change happen. कहते हैं ऊपर वाला एक ही है, बस उस तक पहुंचने के अलग अलग रास्ते होते हैं, और हमारा मकसद भी एक है, स्वास्थ्य सेवा. बस उसके रास्ते अलग अलग होते हैं, और उन्हीं रास्तों को एक रास्ते पे ले जाने को मेड्सकेप इंडिया का एक छोटा सा प्रयास है. I would like to give you a brief history about my organization. It is an initiative of RN Medical Educational, and exclusively it's been getting doctors together, people together to do a good work. And on the board of Medscape India, we have almost 21 councils and associations president who are supporting our cause and scientific cause, which is a great thing to happen. We are encouraging doctors, contribution of eminent medical and paramedical healthcare practitioner, and this is one of the beautiful things I have ever done in my life is a Medscape India. I would like to say some more points. I'll just have a look. Our campaign on the social front have been appreciated by the community, especially the women empowerment. As Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had said, you can tell the condition of any nation by seeing the status of the women. So give big hand to all the women and support our cause, so we can do something for our women dedicatedly and genuinely. Second was Save the Girl Child, where we are working very hard. This is heinous act of female infanticide, Medscape India's top priority for years to come. I would like to request all the doctors, especially the radiologists, gynecologists, general practitioners, actually they are working also, but working together to eradicate this huge major problem from India. Medscape India have done one of the very beautiful thing, handwriting campaigning for the doctors. The improvement in handwriting of the doctors has helped clarity of prescription and avoidance of crisis in the drug dispensing. Many workshops has been organized by this purpose. Another project we have taken from government, we have requested government, especially Smart Doc, a proposal to the government, especially to take care of doctor and during integrate one education system that during the internship and post-graduation, this will help solve the repeated attack over doctor by patient's family, helping to sensitize the doctor to the emotionally vulnerable family member of the patient by co-partnering with the government of Maharashtra, creating the program for the training, doctors training program, exclusively to train them for communication skill, crisis management, stress management, social sensitization, medico-legal norms, grooming session, financial development and protocol and self-help. This will help upcoming breed of doctor. HIV awareness, I think in Mumbai people know that Medscape India had done one of the rally where 5,000 people had attended to create the awareness, which included a doctor, NGO, teachers, student. Then later on we did another program to create awareness among the truck driver and the transporter for HIV. So this was a very beautiful thing we did for our state and from Mumbai. We also work for an orphanage to give them health benefits. Many more film celebrity also is giving help to the Medscape India. I would like to say one thing. It's very difficult to do all alone, so we really need all of you to join this campaign, whatever the Medscape India is doing. I would like to say thank you to one of the celebrity right now who's sitting with us, who have already walked for a long step for us, especially to create the awareness in Save the Girl Child with us. I would like to say, I'll just have a little, I think you all are sleeping, but still you have to help. You have to hear. The selfless with the all doctor has supported the Medscape India as testimony to our commitment for the better, healthier world. I would like to congratulate all our winners for today. Today is the second edition of the Medscape India National Award. I hope that doctors across the country start aspiring to win this Medscape India National Awards. In the time to come, people will not judge us by our creed we profess, label we wear, slogan we shout, but by our work, sacrifice, honesty, and purity. I don't know why I'm remembering very beautiful word of Gandhiji. I would like to say to you, all of you, before you do anything, stop and recall the face of the poorest, most helpless, destitute person you have ever seen in your life and ask yourself, what I am about to do is to going to help him. Recently we met APJ Kalam to his Raj Bhavan, and he was totally enthusiastic the work Medscape India is doing. He was supposed to be there today, but due to some circumstances he was not able to make it. But he conveys telephonic message to all of us that he will be there on the 8th May in Mumbai, and place is the same place where right now we are here. He has also conveyed the message that tell all the member of your Medscape and people who is not the member, tell them and invite them to attend my program. Because this program is an interaction related to how we can empower health in India. There's another beautiful thing I would like to announce, that Medscape India is coming in December with the DCL. It sounds very funny. DCL is a Doctors Cricket League. We have got the survey done. A lot of doctors are not very active, but they love watching cricket. So we are coming with the Doctors Cricket League in December. It is cricket for the cause, and I hope hospitals, doctors, and many more members of association will join this. And you all have to support this cause. It's going to be first time in India, the Cricket for Cause by Dr. DCL. This is the last announcement I'm doing, and thank you so much for this, hearing me patiently. I know I'm not very great orator like my father. Still, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I wanted to also tell Dr. Sunita that I think she's very beautiful and she should be in Bollywood.
बॉलीवुड डॉक्टर है वो साइरस, उनका बॉलीवुड में क्या काम है?
यार सोचो सौम्या, अगर डॉक्टर्स बॉलीवुड में आ गए तो फिल्मों के क्या अश्लील और खतरनाक नाम होंगे।
जैसे हम इंजेक्शन दे चुके सनम,
जैसे कहो ना बुखार है,
कभी खांसी कभी बलगम।
My favorite would be मेरे यार की बॉडी है, which will be sent for the Oscars, which would be a study into the human psychology. It will be quite wonderful if it wins.
Yeah, right. और डेफिनेटली ये सब अवार्ड विनिंग मूवीज होती, क्यों? क्योंकि डॉक्टर्स जो हैं कोई भी चीज़ आगे नहीं बढ़ाते टेस्ट के बिना, तो हर एंगल से उसका एक्सरे होता, सोनोग्राफी होती, टेस्ट होते, और वो डेफिनेटली हिट ही हो जाती।
Well, that proves that doctors are a hit, और इसलिए आज हम उन्हें awards देने जा रहे हैं। तो बढ़ते हैं हमारे अगले set of awards के लिए। Get ready, ladies and gentlemen. The category is excellence in gynecology, something it is important to me and something I've been with for a long time. So, I request to give away our first set of awards for this category, Dr. Jhunjhunwala, who is a jury member and the president of his association. May we have him on stage, please? And Dolly Bindra. Could we have them both kindly on stage to give away our award, which is Excellence in Gynecology.
I would like to tell you that the winner of the award is one of the pioneers in the field of assisted reproduction in India. She has a distinguished clinical and research career in reproductive medicine, specializing in reproductive endocrinology, ovarian physiology, and assisted reproductive technology. She is also credited with the birth of India's first SIFT baby.
Wow. Now, ladies and gentlemen, may we have the winner of the award. Thank you first, both of you, for being here. Thank you very much. It's very gracious. So the winner in the category of Excellence in Gynecology is...
Category-wise, Excellence in Gynecology. There are many people who are excellent in gynecology, but today's special award goes to Dr. Kamini Rao.
Congratulations. Let's have a huge round of applause. Congratulations, Dr. Kamini Rao.
Congratulations, Dr. Kamini Rao, and I like the way you ran.
Thank you for being here.
Yeah, Dr. Kamini Rao is here, and give a good applause to her.
I would request Kamini Rao ji to say a few words, getting an award for a best gynecologist. What do you feel?
It's been a wonderful feeling, and I'm very happy today that Foxy has been part of the jury, and the president of Foxy has been involved in selection, which means that there will not be too much of politics involved. And I like Medscape having involved the national bodies, and I think getting national bodies in for awards will also get their commitment into social causes. And we in Foxy are committed to prevent female feticide and empower the girl child. Our current president, Dr. Hema Divakar, also has a lot of ideas about this, about improvisation, implementation, and impact factor. And I think we will do a great job. Very good to Medscape, very good to Sunita Dubey. I've not had an opportunity to meet her personally, apart from what I have had today. But having seen the amount of work she's done, I think Foxy will join her in a lot of activities. Long live Foxy and long live Medscape. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Congrats once again.
And thank you both so much for giving away the awards. Thank you very much. Thanks so much.
For gynecology, and this is an award that has been also with the jury, that is the National Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecology have been involved, and I feel very proud about it.
Ma'am, would you like to give any message to the society about Save the Girl Child?
Yes, very much so. I think the Foxy has been doing a lot in this regard, and all the societies that are affiliated with the Foxy are also very strongly empowering the girl child as well as against female feticide. And in fact, lots of the members who have actually pledged that they will not do any sex determination have not been doing it. So I think it's been a good step forward. The only things that we'll have to look at is to bring the quacks down. That is a problem.
मैम मेडिस्केप इंडिया का इसमें क्या योगदान रहा है?
Medscape India is a very strong body which is empowered with education and social service, and I think their strong point is the Save the Girl Child, and I think this much must get all the national societies also together to make a very formidable force and to see that